everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily search and share activities that you have created on Wordwall. If you have the paid version, I'm sure you have seen the search feature in the community. This is great for finding activities created about a specific topic. For example, if I want some activities about nouns, I can click on nouns and I have tons of pre-made activities made by other teachers all about nouns. But did you notice you can also click on a teacher's name? If I click on the teacher's name, let's say I see a lot of activities by this teacher that I really like. I can click on her name. She only has one, so that's not very helpful. Let's see another one. This teacher. This teacher has tons of activities. And it looks like there's a lot of phonics and a lot of grammar, and they have activities created for specific students. I can even click on that and see what's inside her folders. So you can see what other teachers are creating. But this is very helpful if you teach a specific curriculum. For example, I teach using the Learnaling curriculum. So in this search, I can type in Learnaling. And now I can find all the activities created related to the Learnaling curriculum. And again, you can click on the teacher's name. These are all mine, Teacher Kendall Ryer 1. And when you click on my name, you will see all the folders I have. And I try to keep my activities very organized for myself and if any other teachers are looking at it. So if you're looking for a Learnaling Level 1 lesson activity, and then here I have them divided into units. And then some of them also have folders inside there that have the different lesson numbers, but I try to keep it really, really organized for myself especially. So that way you can see all the activities I have created related to Learnaling. And there are also other teachers I have found that have been creating Learnaling lessons as well. But how can you make your lessons easy to find by other teachers? So let's say you have a community on Facebook or somewhere else where all of you use the same curriculum. You want to be able to easily be able to share and find the curriculum activities based on what you're teaching. So when you do that, it's important to make your activities public. I realized today that I have a lot of activities, but a lot of them were set to private, which means if a teacher's trying to look for Learnaling activities or look under my name, those private activities will not be visible to them. So let's take a look at how to make an activity public. So first I'm going to show you with creating a new activity, and then I'm going to show you to go back and change any that you have set to private. So I'm just going to make a quick anagram. I'm just going to type in the word sentences, and my name is Kendall. All right, let's see if it'll let me do just one. All right, perfect. So I created an activity, but if I just create it and then exit out of this, when you look here, you're going to notice it's private. That means if somebody was to type in my name or the word sentences, they would not be able to see this activity. So how do you make it public? Well, first way you can do it is when you're creating the activity, you're going to notice the share button. You can click on share, and then you can click publish, and that will make it public. But let's say you forget to do that. That's okay. If you forget, you can also do it from this screen. Click on those three dots here, click on share, and then you can click publish. But there's another way to make it easy for teachers to find what they're looking for, and that's with these tags here. You can tag it with the grade level, you can tag it with a subject, or you can even add a topic. So you're going to notice here, I've already added a tag for subject, which means it's going to show up every single time I create an activity, but I still have to click on it to make it active. So I can click on Learnaling. I can click on multiple if I want to, but I'm just going to use Learnaling for mine. And then I'm going to click publish and then done. Now you're going to see here, it is set as public. So when somebody searches either Learnaling or they look under my folders or they look under sentences, they will be able to see my activity. The reason typing in Learnaling or adding that tag of Learnaling is so important is I don't have to worry about putting the word Learnaling in the title of my activity. I can just name it sentences. But if a teacher types in Learnaling under the community search, that activity will still show up because I tagged it with that Learnaling tag. That'll be super helpful for any of your friends, teacher friends that use the same curriculum. They'll be able to find those activities a lot easier. Now, let's say you have activities you've already created and you realize they are all set as private, or you don't have the tag set and you want to change that. This will take some time if you want to do this. I'm still in the process of updating mine. I wish there was an easier way, but I haven't found one. So let's say I want to look at Learnaling Level 3. I'm going to click on, this one has a lot, my food unit. So here I can see this activity is set as public. I don't have to change that, but I do want to add the tag. So I can just click on the word public here, or I can click on the share button, and then I'm going to click Publish Settings. So I'm going to go back to those tags. Now I'm going to click on Learnaling and publish again. Now the tag is set. Now I'm going to take a look at my private lessons. So all of these, because I was sending them as homework, I wasn't really using them in class, I never published them. So again, I can click on the word private here, or I can click on those three dots and I'm going to click share. I'm going to remember to click on Learnaling for the tag, and then I'm going to click publish, and done. Now I can see this activity is set as public, which means anybody looking for Learnaling activities will be able to see this in that search list. So this is a great way for you to share your activities with others and for you to find activities created by other teachers to help save you a little bit of time, not having to reinvent the wheel and create things that have already been created. Also, if you have a teacher's name that you already know and you're communicating with and you want to share your activities, instead of having to search for an activity, you can actually search for the teacher's name, but you need to know their Wordwall username. So here mine is, I keep saying teacher, Kendall Ryer 1. So I have to type in Kendall Ryer 1. If I don't put that one, it's not going to show up. So make sure you type it exactly how it is written. And then I'm going to click search. And then it says, are you looking for the profile page? Yes, I am. Click on my name. And then you can find all of my folders with all of my activities. That'll save you some time. Rather than having to search for an activity to find my name, you can just type in the teacher's name directly and see all of their shared folders. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, everyone.